Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix message not sent check option problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you tap on message option. You can see that message not sent. Okay, no tension. Following my all step and solve this problem. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your phone setting. Scroll down little bit. You can find your apps. Tap on this. You can search here message. Tap on message option. Scroll down little bit. After that, tap on storage. You can see here two options, clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear data. Delete all data. Go back. Tap on allow permission. All permission here. Already my apps all permission here. Now go back. Tap on connection. You can see that SIM manager. Tap on this. You can see that cannot showing this option. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.